Okay, so I thought it was important to show you guys this screen. eBay sends me this message, I think like once a week or maybe once every other week. And it basically says your items are in a watch list. Now make the sale from eBay. You can see this is dated April 11th. That's today. They sent this like 10:30 this morning, so Pacific, 11, 12, 1:30 my time. So quite a few hours ago. I just got around to checking it, but that's fine. It says drop the price to make the sale. Lower the price by 5% on these items saved to shoppers' watch list, and we'll email them to say their deal got better. So that means all of these items are being watched by people on my eBay store, and I can see that, of course. I can go to these items and see that I have watchers. So here's a pair of White House black market pants that I have for $24, a pair of Puma shoes I have for $24, this Charming Charlie dress for $15, an Austin Powers game for $12, a New York shirt for $11, White House for $10, a really old Ann Taylor loft little shirt, $8.40, just trying to get rid of it, a broken iPod we have up for $8, a couple low-end, C items here, $7, $8, my lowest priced items. So you can go ahead and just open one of those. Let's just come up here to the White House black market. I've already gone ahead and opened it. And here's where I can revise the item 5%. So 10% is $2.40. So they want to drop this $1.20. So they basically want this down to what, $22.80, $22.80. So I can lower this, and that will email out the customer if you drop it 5%, and hopefully they'll do the purchase. Now, I did this once or twice before, and it does work. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items they're recommending me to drop, and I think last time I had 10, and I ended up selling 2 of them. So I really, really recommend this. If you get this message, it's very important. Make sure you're checking your messages. I believe this is only for eBay store owners, but of course, if you're watching this video or you're getting serious about selling, you should have an eBay store and a sale going on. So just something I wanted to show you guys. A lot of people asked me about this, if I had ever got this message. Yes, I did, and it's very important. Check it, revise your prices, and you could probably sell some of the items. So very cool from eBay. I do like this feature. Similar feature I think you guys saw on Poshmark. This is a little different, but same kind of idea. So thank you so much for sending this, eBay. Thanks for watching the video. Everybody out in YouTube world, make sure you check out the description box, all the important links, everything you need down below. And until next time, I'll see you then.